Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba uba Prestone tensong ubalabu jingkeli Khalai kiba Pyrshah ya kaan Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act bar kiba dawawan Pyndam no ya ka hakabau laong lada Pyndam no ya kaan kiba kijing lekai Khalai kimsha te lakam sho katkum ki kendon jong kaan uba Prestone labu jingkeli ru halor ka jing dawawan Pyndam ya ka Gaming Act daga bakali Hato ka jing Pyrshah ka deiru ya ka Khalai Thoh tem kabaladon lupa mentala bun pausnam balada kalongkom ta Balei kim Pyrshah nadu kata kapor bakaladon.
Because some NGOs also they said repeal the act of gambling regulation. I've seen it today also in the news. But let me tell you, when we talk about gambling, all types of gambling, be it deer, be it that what they call it bullfight, be it fishing, that also is gambling. But what we see all those years, what happened was we don't have regulation. When you don't have regulation, we need to regulate. We can't stop because sometimes it's a livelihood. And then we do have that jackpot activities in Shillong, I think well. That time there was no regulation. So we need to regulate it. That's why, including casino. Right now, I think the stakeholders, the public, their concern is about casino. They don't talk about regulation of gambling, but they are concerned about the casino. So therefore, that day CM, when he replied inside the house, he said, we stop it until and unless. Stop means we stop issuing license. And then number two, we will have to carry along everybody with the stakeholders. Then if the stakeholder still says no, means no. Because see, if you talk in terms of, generation of revenue, yes, it is true. If we set up casino, it will be there. But at the same time, we need to respect the sentiments of our people in the state. That's why CM has made it very, very categorically on the floor of the house that casino, we put it at the stop. Why should we repeal the Gaming Act? Because if we repeal, means again all activities is totally unlawful. We need to regulate. That's what I'm telling you. Regulation is required. Act is required. It has to be in place. Because right now the reaction from the public is what? Casino. Otherwise, are you trying to say that they are against tier and this tier has been there for so many years? At that point of time, why not they object? You can point. So be it this bullfight, be it even the fishing competition, be it this jackpot, be it so many we have, there are so many. So therefore what we did from the government side, ultimately we regulate it. We bring in the law because they cannot just freely do anything they like. It should be within the frame, guidelines, rules, so that any public, they can do it, but do it in a manner where things which is not going beyond the legality. There are two issues here. Number one, we passed the ordinance. Then ultimately, we passed the act, the bill. And we regularize the bill, it becomes an act. And thirdly is we prepare the rules. The rules also, who passed? The cabinet only. So the question of bypassing the cabinet does not arise. See, since the Gaming Act is also included in the act, okay, regulation of gambling, be it offline, be it online, okay, including setting up of casino in the state of Nepal. So what I'm trying to tell you is this. Yes, relating to that, provisional license has been issued by the government for 6 months. But after passing the act, after even approving the rules, then lot of opposition came in, lot of complaint came in, be it from the religious group, be it from the NGOs, be it from the traditional heads. So ultimately we said, okay, let us stop it as far as casino, setting up of casino is concerned. That is our stand till today, and CM has made it the statement, official statement inside the house.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.